I just bought some new product from Maybelline, which is their Lifter Gloss, and it's very kinda, I like the vibes whenever I put this on, and actually talagang nilagay ko na to. Let me tell you something about their packaging. So, since I'm way back in high school, talagang Maybelline na ako. And until now, 2021, meron na silang bagong product ulit. And I'm happy that they change a lot and nag-level up din sila. Hindi din sila papayag talaga na, maiwan. So, what I love is their packaging na square. Square na yung tube nila. And then, one-sided na din yung details niyan, which is the Lifter Gloss. And then, meron sa baba, meron silang inad na ingredients, which is the hyaluronic acid. So now, let's start from the first shade, which is called the 008 Stone. Actually, nandito na siya sa lips. So, let me swatch for you. So, ganyan siya. Actually, it has a lard wand. Pero mas malaki pa rin sa Detail Cosmetic yung jelly lips nila. Ayun talaga, sin sobrang. And one swipe lang siya. This is my favorite shade actually. But all in all, talagang wala pa naman ako nung ibang products nila, ibang shades. So, for now, this is my favorite lip gloss shade. This one, this is something like nude shade. Kasi meron silang, I think, more pinkish, which is yung 5 and then dalawang nude. Yan, nakita ko dalawang nude. What I bought is one nude and then dalawa yung pink na shade. So this one is a stone shade again. So the second shade that I got, so this one is more pinkish naman tayo, and it is called the Silk 004 Pink. Way back, talagang fan ako ng matte, and then, nag-start na ulit yung lip gloss, which is dati pa naman din siya uso. And then, nauso na naman ngayon. Talagang, naging fan na din ako. Kasi, I have this situation on my lips, like, it's very chapped and dry. Yeah, if you guys didn't watch my matte, caution matte, ito yun. Guys, go check my makeup vlog. So, as you can see, this is the matte, this is the lip gloss. So, same lang sila ng tube. Mas prefer ko to kasi ang ganda ng packaging niya. So, let me swatch for you guys. So, ito po yung stone, and this one is the silk. Thickness siya. Hindi siya irritating talaga. I swear. And I love it. Talagang na-experience ko na siya nung birthday ko. Nag-gloss lang ako and na-experience ko na all day talaga. All day ko siyang nilagay. Habang tumatagal, pa-pop out pa rin siya. Feeling ko I look like, brats. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan nila, but brats. Ganun. So, for our next shade, this is the last one. 003, which is in the shade Moon. This is more likely parang may glittery na siya effect. Actually, lahat naman siya, but this one, transparent na siya. Wala na siyang color. And actually, may color siya. So, more likely, much glittery na siya. It looks good. Natural look, like a body. Ganun. So, I love the shades, and yeah, that is the Moon shade. I'm going to put the stone kasi favorite ko siya. Damn, look at that, girl. And once again, this is the end of my makeup vlog. I hope you guys check their website, online store like Shopee, Lazada, and everything. Nagkaroon na din ng something like glossy. And I love the shade of this. This is 349 pesos. You guys go add to cart na. And yeah! So once again, this is Pam, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!